tell you what, a lot of rain out there today. It was tough to drive in, I will say, for a while this afternoon.
Yeah, and in so many areas, this is the last thing we needed with the ground still pretty saturated from last week, right?
Yep, that's exactly what I was thinking, because these flash flood warnings, they keep getting extended for more areas, even towards the northwest, and these are actually going until about 10 o'clock tonight. So some areas that are going to be experiencing this flash flooding, some places in Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Moon Township, McKeesport area, even Franklin Park, Beaver Falls, Monaca area, all the way through this evening. So we're seeing a lot of these heavier bands of rain that are moving through, producing about an inch of rainfall, and some areas by the end of this will pick up about an inch to an inch and a half. So right now we still have some thunderstorms popping up right now into places into Washington County where we can see that lightning. But right now those flash flood warnings are still in effect until 9:30 tonight. A few more areas, Donegal, East Findlay area, where you can see those heavier downpours, even some lightning right now in East Findlay, and those thunderstorms can produce heavy amounts of rainfall and again some gusty winds. This is going to last until 9:15 and even a little bit further north for places into Beaver, Butler County. These go until 9:30 tonight. So it's continuing to extend to the north and east as the system pushes through. That wind advisory going until 11 o'clock with gusts up to 50 miles per hour for Indiana, Westmoreland County, and then the tornado watch, meaning all the ingredients are in place for an isolated tornado to pop up into Washington, also Green, Fayette County, Morgantown area again until 9 o'clock. That's when the severe weather threat will die down. Right now, very soggy out there, heavy rain coming down, tough to see, 62 degrees, and we do have reduced visibility into Beaver, Butler, Washington, also in Pittsburgh, down to just a few miles. And our temperatures right now into the low 60s, near 70 in Irwin. So right now clouds are keeping things a little bit more stable, but it is mild. Again, everything in place for that severe weather to pop up, where we could even have damaging hail through tonight, and then again damaging winds, the biggest threat. So that'll go until 10 o'clock tonight. Temperatures still mild overnight, and then we have more rain tomorrow. That's going to last through the day, but it's not going to be as heavy, but we still need a break from all of this rain. We don't get that until about 11 o'clock tonight. We'll have a few showers around early tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. A break until about 4 or 5 o'clock into the evening. We'll have widespread light rain for our Friday evening commute. Still could have some flooding concerns just because this rain, we're really not catching a break. Saturday we finally catch a break, and also Sunday we do have a small chance for a stray thunderstorm, but it's also going to be very windy along with this all the way through the weekend, where we're going to have gusts picking up at about 40 miles per hour and upwards of 50 miles per hour again this evening through the ridges. So tonight still mild, showers, thunderstorms, windy, and then tomorrow morning at the bus stop, make sure you have all of the rain gear, and remember, do not drive through any flooded areas, and especially at night when it's tough to see. Looking at our 7-day forecast, 60 on Saturday, mid-70s Sunday looks great. We'll have dry time, but also a stray thunderstorm. The ground will be soggy, but 73 Monday and dry. We're back to the upper 70s Tuesday, Wednesday with showers, and low 70s on Thursday with showers and thunderstorms also possible.